Chiang Mai, baby. Get out and get about. Gotta see what's around. It's Thailand, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough. It's Thailand, baby. I'm so ready to see. Wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need to check out more of the country. So give me more to see. So give me more to see. I need more. Chiang Mai, baby.
Okay, this is in Chiang Mai University. We have a food court. Usually I don't like to film at nighttime because the camera gets kind of shaky, but this is just so cool, I kind of have to capture it. So we're at the University of Chiang Mai, and there's a clothing court all the way down here and a food court. So we're going to go through both of them and show you what it looks like a little bit. Stay tuned. Okay, Chiang Mai, Thailand, up on the map. We're at the University of Chiang Mai, and we're at this kind of food court area with some clothing shops. So let's show you exactly where it is so you can see exactly where we are, and let's just walk around as if you were there yourself. Chiang Mai, Thailand. So yeah, there's the food court. We'll walk through this food court a little bit. I'm going to try to keep the camera steady so that I don't, it gets shaky at nighttime. These GoPros are not ideal at nighttime that I've found a good setting for anyways. I usually like to have a setting where it's people say it's a bit fisheye, but I like it because I can see all the periphery part and I can see all the stuff that's here. I don't want to focus on, you know, very specific things because I'm trying to capture the whole vibe of something. So I want to keep it on that, but then it gets a bit fuzzy at nighttime when you put it on that setting. So we're gonna go, I think we're gonna keep on going straight down. There's more food and drinks, and the prices here are amazing. I'm gonna go all the way down because I want to see what, this is my first time to explore it, so this is more food items. Lots of food items on the left as well. And I guess this caters to the University of Chiang Mai students. And the prices, I think, probably reflect that. Just kind of slowly go like that. Okay, so we're going to slowly move the camera. There's even a K-pop store down there. Okay, let's just go. There's more stuff on this side down that way as well, but I want to go back into this market here. Let's kind of navigate across this. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to walk to the right. Each of these little clothing areas. Actually, it looks more interesting this way. Just keep on going this way for now. There's a lot of clothing in this area too. Okay. I'm trying not to move the camera around too much because there's a lot of interesting stuff in all the different directions. Basically, we got food to the left, and then to the right we have clothing, and now we have iPhone stuff. Let me just see. I want to go. I guess I'm going to be going down this aisle right here. So let's go down that way. Okay. Yeah, nighttime too, I get these little flickers. Let me just kind of walk down this way. I want to go right into the middle of it all. Got some Thai music there. Nail shop. Okay, maybe, let's see. That music's gonna affect the video, so I'm gonna get out of that music as fast as I can, talk over it a little bit, get it stopped. Now we're kind of into clothing again. Let's see. I guess I'll go down this way, I guess. Lots of clothing places everywhere. Pretty cool. Chicago. So we're gonna go straight out into the street. Little sites of Chiang Mai that maybe people, tourists in particular, wouldn't really know about. I didn't know it until now. So we're gonna go straight out. Somewhat straight up. Let's just follow this way so that way I can capture looking down before I go to the main street. The main street will be the end of it. So lots of clothing shops in particular. Okay, so let's just navigate like this to the clothing. And now we're going to go onto the main street here. That's the University of Chiang Mai students, I think. That's the campus straight that way. There are a lot of young foreigners here too. Okay, so this is the main street in here. There's a nail shop. Okay. So this is basically this whole little space. Let me just navigate back in here a little bit. And just try to navigate back out again, but I want to make it as interesting as possible so you can candy shop. Music that might affect my videos. I'm going to move past that as fast as I can. Hawaiian shirts and such. And looks like we have another food court. Let's just move this way. Okay. So we'll move down this way. But anyways, you got an idea what this is all about. Love to come and visit again. So let's just come to an ending right here. Okay, this is not the corridor, so we'll just go a little bit further. There's lots of clothing shops, lots of places to eat. And we're gonna come over here and then we're gonna end the video. I'll turn around. Kind of a nice mural there with a chill out penguin. Car wash? No, laundromat. Core Gallery Hotel. There's a hotel right here too. Huh. So, okay. Kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there.
In a stroll, seeing what's about.